And so I'm going to go over some of the common pet things that happen that everyone sees. So there are a couple other little weird things besides the ones I mentioned. One is bloating. Your dog will actually kind of hurt, their tummies will distend. So if you notice when they get up in the morning, pay attention to the way your pet looks. We start at the very basics with food. So if your pet's eating a diet that you're not sure about or you don't know what's in it, read the label. The reason we use it is because it's a pea food and it doesn't have a lot of anything else in it. So it's, let me just show you. You can get this, it's called WAG. You can get this on Amazon. They have different flavors. We do beef, we do chicken. So what you want to look at, on the label it says no added corn, wheat, and it also says no colors and flavors. So the next thing, let's talk about symptoms now. If your dog is already kind of high strung, you already know that. So if they're very active, if they get agitated when people come around, if they're dealing with anxiety, you can definitely tell those things. So pay attention to that. If that's the case, clean up their food. Try to make it more all protein. They use this incontinence support supplement for dogs, and the directions are on it on the bottle. And Jane gets 4 of those a day. And she has been having these since she was 4 years old, and she does not have accidents anymore. She doesn't have to be embarrassed anymore. So they're called nutrition strength incontinence support. And you can also get this online. So if they don't feel good and they're eating grass and then they're throwing up, that's a sign that what they're doing is to purge, to help themselves feel better. So pay attention to that. And if that's the case, pay attention if you fed them something different, or if you gave them some kind of treats, or then stop doing that. Right? But the big thing that we give Jane 2 MSM, and we give Marley 2 MSM in her food every day, and we give them 2 turmeric. And Jane can get up and down now. We still do not let her go up and down the steps, but she can get up and down outside, and we have a pool. She can get in and swim, and she's able to do some really cool stuff now without pain. And she couldn't run and play anymore because her hips hurt, and now she can play in the pool. And this gave her back her life. And we give her this also in her food every day. And so she has her life back. She can play. She can chase after the little kids, the babies here. And she does. So veterinarian recommended hip and joint is called Vet IQ. So this is going to be also on Amazon.